Hello guys, in this video we'll be creating a custom junction object for job postings. So a junction object is nothing but a custom object with two master detail relationships. So previously we have created a master detail relationship. So a junction object is nothing but a custom object with two of those. Alright, so let's quickly jump into our exercise. Let's split our screen with Trailhead Playground. So first we'll be creating our custom object, which is job posting. So let's jump into our object manager and create a custom object. Let's copy and paste our fields, which is job posting, and a plural label, which is job postings. Okay. Let's change the record name. Select the data type as auto number. And let's copy paste our display format with the starting number as well. And once we've created that, there's nothing else to change. So let's go ahead and save it. So now we have created our custom object job posting. Now the next step is to create our master detail relationships. So to do that, let's go ahead into our fields and relationships. And click on new and select master detail relationship. So in our first master detail relationship is related to position. So let's search and select position. Once we've done that, let's go ahead with our next until the last step and save it. Here we'll click on save and new because we are creating a junction object and we need one more of the master detail relationship. So let's select master detail relationship again. So this time our relationship is related to job posting site. So let's search for that and go ahead and save it. So now we have created our junction object, which is with two master detail relationships. So the next step is to modify our page layouts. So in order to do that, let's jump into our object manager and search for position. Oops, that's not the search you use. You can use the quick find inside the Salesforce. Okay, once you are in the custom object position, let's jump into page layouts. Select your page layout and go for edit. So once you are in the page layout section, let's find job postings related list, which you can find at the end of the page. Alright. So once you've found that, let's click on the settings icon. Okay, so here we need to add two fields, which is job posting site status and technical site. So let's select one by one. You can select both of them simultaneously by pressing down the control button as well. And the next thing is we have to remove the job posting number as well. So let's remove that and go ahead with OK and save our change to the page layout. Okay. The next thing is we'll be making some changes to the position related list on the job posting site page layout. So let's go to our job posting site object from our quick find. So once you're inside that, let's jump into page layouts and go ahead and edit our page layout. Okay, here let's jump to the bottom of our page to find job postings and click on our little settings icon. Here let's add position, status and title over here. Again, you can select multiple of them using the control button. And here let's remove the job posting number as well. Okay, we've done that. Let's click on OK and save our change to our page layout. So the next step is to go to recruiting using our app launcher. So let's quickly do that. Recruiting. And once you're here, let's jump into positions tab. And let's create a new position. The new position is the super sales rep from the sales department. Let's set the approval status as approved, with the location being US. And let's copy paste the job description. So let's save the new position. Once you've done that, as stated in the exercise, let's find the pencil icon to the top right corner. Once you've found that, click on Add More Items. And available items, select the All button. And search for job posting sites. And click on the plus icon. And add one new item. So you'll immediately see what this actually does. So now you can see a new tab called Job Posting Sites in the navigation bar. So now let's go ahead to Job Posting Sites and create a new site. Once you click on New, let's populate the site name, the job posting URL, with status being active, and go ahead and save it. Okay, we have completed everything in the custom object creation step. So let's go ahead and see if we have done everything right. This has been a long exercise, but still it has been an easy one. So if you have missed something, you can watch the video again and I'm sure you'll pick it up. Okay, that's perfect. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.